Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. I have another limited edition unboxing for you, and it is from Glossybox, and it's their Buyer's Picks limited edition box. This was released a couple of days ago for subscribers. They all had early access, and it was released today for non-subscribers. The cost of the box is £35 and it has a value of £132. If you are a subscriber, you're able to get £10 off, which will come off at checkout, and it contains 10 beauty products. If you're interested in this box for yourself, as always, you'll find a link to it down below in my description, and you'll see all my other discount codes and offers and any giveaways I've got currently running. You'll see it all listed down there, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So yeah, so let's get on to showing you then what's inside their newest limited edition. It seems like it's been ages since Glossybox came out with a limited edition. I can't remember. Did they come out with a Christmas one? I know they came out with a summer one. Oh, I can't remember. And I'll go through it one by one. Starting off, we've got dry shampoo. This is by Neal Wolf. This is for all hair types, and there's 250 mils here. Now, I don't think I've tried any products from Neal Wolf before. It says, we're dedicated to creating hair care products that deliver invisible results you can see and feel in salon or at home. Our products are lovingly made with high performance ingredients and spellbinding signature scent to stir the senses. Experience wonderfully beautiful hair with Neal Wolf. I just want to sniff it. I know it's probably going to turn anything around me white now. I'll do it in there. It's got a nice perfumey smell, not too strong. It smells like talc. Dry shampoo, always handy. I try to limit it as much as possible, although saying that, yesterday's the first time I've washed my hair in days. I might be looking a little bit odd to you, I might not be, but if you're thinking, why do you look different, Claire? I had my eyebrows microbladed 3 days ago, and they're at the dodgy stage where they're really dark and they've expanded a bit. This is what the information leaflet is telling me anyway. Like every time I look in the mirror, I'm like, whoa. So it's a little bit freaky for me. I can't put makeup on them, skincare around there, nothing. I have to be really, really careful. So I'm limiting the amount of times I wash my hair. So I have been using dry shampoo. Anyway, enough about me and my dodgy brows. We've got Elemis Clarifying Clay Wash. I love this. This is actually downstairs with my other numerous cleansers. We've got a bathroom downstairs, by the way. That's why it's down there. This is really, really lovely. I love it. I've got combo skin, and I found clay masks, anything basically with clay in, clay wash. Really, really great for my skin. I'll just show you what it looks like. There. You just use it as a normal cleanser, massage it in, rinse it off. Yeah, it's a really nice cleanser. This non-drying clay facial wash cleanses pores, leaving the skin feeling refreshed, removing impurities and excess oils. Skin is left feeling more balanced and looking clearer for a more radiant, mattified and healthier looking complexion. It's got a cleanser by Elemis. Then we got Rituals. This is a foaming shower gel, and this is the Ritual of Mehr. It's an energizing foaming shower gel. It contains sweet orange and cedarwood, and there's 50 mils there. I think I can smell this in the box, which is odd because it hasn't exploded or anything. As soon as I open up the box, I can smell this. It hasn't leaked or nothing. Yeah, it's nice. I think this is the very first time I've had a shower gel. I normally get body lotions, but yeah, it's the first time a shower gel. So that's nice. Then we got a duo from Colour Wow. This is Colour Security Shampoo, won't dull colour, weigh hair down or impede hair growth, and Colour Security Conditioner for fine to normal treated hair. No dulling, darkening, conditioning agents, keeps colour fresh, leaves hair silky. There's 30 mils. Those will come in handy when I go to Iceland next month. I'm going to Iceland. I can't wait. Can't wait. It's been on a high bucket list for years. But yeah, so I'm going away for a couple of nights. Any shampoo, conditioner duos that I've tried before and I like, then yeah, they go into my little holiday box. So then when the time comes for me to pack, I've got all my little samples and travel sizes there. So yeah, those will be going in the box. We got my favourite hyaluronic acid. This is Medicae. I absolutely blimmin' love this brand. It's a pricey brand. It is really pricey, but oh my gosh, it is so good. Any samples that I receive, I put them all together and I've got a little collection of Medicae skincare all gathering up, which is so nice because it's so good. It leaves my skin feeling amazing. And this is the Hydrate. This is the B5 Intense. Hyaluronic acid with NMF, Replenish and Boost, and there's 8 mils there. So a nice size, you only need a tiny bit and it spreads really, really well. I make sure my face is damp before I apply this so it absorbs into your skin better. So I got another one. Then I got Nuxe. This is Very Rose. This is an ultra fresh cleansing gel mask. There's 15 mils here. This is what it looks like. I've tried this before as well, and I was initially put off that it was rose, but it's quite a nice smell, and it's a mask. With this particular mask, you only put it on your skin for about a minute or two, and then you rinse off. But I love the fact that it's a gel. It's really cool. It doesn't smell like the old English rose, which is the scent I don't like. Rose floral water and skin respect complex cleans deeply, respects the skin's natural balance, eliminates pollution particles, and it says here just leave on for 1 minute. It's got a face mask. Next we got Dr. Paw. This is a plumping lip oil, multi-purpose lip oil with natural paw and collagen for lips and skin, fragrance free. I really like this one because it is clear. A lot of Dr. Paw products, lip products, are tinted, but as you can see it's clear, and I love a lip oil on top of a really matte long-lasting lipstick. Yeah, it's really nice. Plus you could use it on your skin, give yourself like a dewy glass skin look effect. So there's that. Last item in the box, we've got a little sample of NARS. This is bronzing powder in shade Laguna. It's the shade I go for. I'm wearing it now. I'm wearing a very light NARS creamy bronzer in Laguna, only a little bit because I can't put makeup on the top of my head really because of my brows, so I've just wanted to give a little bit of definition on my cheeks there. And yeah, I love the cream bronze. I love the powder one as well, but yeah. Ooh, just show you on the side there. There you go. So again, another, for me, a handy size to take away with me, because I know I like it. We got a little bronzer there, and those are all the products inside the Glossybox Buyer's Picks Edit. So I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. We got an Elemis Clarifying Clay Facial Wash. We got a Neal Wolf Dry Shampoo. We got a Ritual of Mehr, a foaming shower gel. We got a Nuxe Very Rose Cleansing Gel Mask. We've got Colour Security Shampoo and Conditioner from Colour Wow. We've got a Hydrate B5 Hyaluronic Acid Serum from Medicate. We got a little mini NARS bronzing powder in shade Laguna, and a Dr. Paw lip oil. I think if you're a subscriber, £25 is an absolute bargain. I wonder how much this costs. I'll have a look. I'll pop it up on the screen. A good all-rounder beauty box from Glossybox there. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? Did you fall in love with it and have bought it straight away? Or are you thinking, nah, don't like it? Not for me. Or are you still a bit on the fence about it? I'd love to hear. Whatever your thoughts, I love reading your comments. So please comment down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.